Pre-market summary for Indian stock market. Singapore Stock Exchange Nifty 50 Index futures indicate a 24-point opening bell gain. Asian stocks are mixed ahead of the RBA's rate decision. According to reports, the RBA will raise rates by a half point to 2.35%. Labor Day closed US markets Monday. Mary Elizabeth Truss, known as Liz Truss, was named the next UK Prime Minister on September 5 after defeating Rishi Sunak in the Conservative Party leadership race. OPEC and key allies like Russia agreed to cut production by 1 lakh barrels per day in October. Monday's home equity indices soared despite negative global cues. S&P, BSE Sensex rose 442.65 points, 0.75%, to 59,245.98. The Nifty 50 gained 126.35 points, 0.72%, to 17,665.80. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, sold shares worth 811.75 crore on the 5th of September, while domestic institutional investors net bought 533.77 crore. Follow us, information is wealth.